Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores, we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Oh, this is Diego, but somebody took Diego's outfit off. Somebody got to Diego first, and he's standing there in his little tighty whities. Diego from the Dora the Explorer, excuse me, Dora the Explorer, and he's got his little watch still, so he knows what time it is. He's got his little tennis shoes on, and he's got this weird hairdo. But Diego is there, so we have Diego now. So let's put Diego there, and then we can put the Inku behind him. There we go. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. All right. So now we have, in addition to Diego, Inku, Brobee, and Lulu, we have the My Little Pony. This is the balloon edition. It looks like little funny balloons there. Somebody has removed the tag, so all I know is that it is a My Little Pony. It is pink, and it has, yeah, it's pink. So there's the My Little Pony right there, okay. I have, oh, look at this. I have a crazy pig. Crazy-eyed pig. It's all oink, oink, oink. Let's see. This is from Six Flags, Grand Prairie, Texas. So this is the Texas Six Flags. It's made exclusively for that. Somebody probably paid $20 for this thing in the way of those overpriced arcade games there. So we've got the Six Flags pig, the My Little Pony. We have the Inkus, we have Diego, we have Brobee, and we have Lulu. And the last thing we have is a broken pig. Come on, work with me there. Right there. We have this with a little bit of hair on it there. We have this ratty flower, I'm guessing from the Dollar Tree. That's where these usually come from. And it has a big wire inside. You can bend it around and twist the head and all that stuff. And there it is. There's the grab bag special. That's right. Hey, thanks for coming along, guys and gals. For those of you who've been with us before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and you get all the updates. Again, with the Wild-Eyed Pig, the My Little Pony, the Inku's cat, Diego in his skivvies, Brobee, we're collecting Brobees and stuff, and Lulu and the ratty smiling flower. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye.